Hello devotees, welcome to Tirupati Info by KHM channel. Millions of devotees across the globe long to experience the divine and majestic darshan of Lord Venkateswara from the closest possible distance. While general darshan fulfill this spiritual desire to an extent, only a fortunate few are granted the rare opportunity to participate in Srivari Arjitha Sevas, which offer a truly intimate and spiritually enriching experience from just 10 feet away from the Sanctum Sanctorum. Please don't forget to subscribe to Tirupati Info by KHM channel and share this video with your friends, family, neighbors and colleagues. To experience an intimate darshan of Lord Balaji from a close proximity of approximately 10 feet, only a limited number of Srivari Arjitha Sevas are available. In order to ensure transparency and equal opportunity for all, TTD follows an electronic lucky dip system for selecting devotees to attend these sacred Sevas. The lucky dip is conducted in both online and offline modes. We have already discussed the offline electronic lucky dip in a separate video, and for those who wish to refer it, I will provide its video link in the first comment of this video. In this video, we will be discussing the online electronic lucky dip in complete detail. The online electronic lucky dip registration typically opens on the 18th of every month at 10 am. In the event that the 18th falls on a Sunday or a government holiday, the online registration will commence at 10 am on the 19th instead. The registration link remains active for 2 days, from 10 am on the 18th to 10 am on the 20th. One may register at any time within this 2-day period. Registration is entirely free of cost. You can register through either the TTD mobile application or the TTD official website. A minimum of 1 and a maximum of 2 registrations can be submitted using a single mobile number login. If 2 persons are registered under a single mobile number login, then they will be assigned only one registration number. If that registration number is selected in the lucky dip, both individuals registered under that mobile number will have the opportunity to witness the close darshan of Lord Balaji. Online registration is opened 3 months in advance for a complete month. Only 4 Srivari Arjitha Sevas are available for online electronic lucky dip registration: Suprabhatham Seva, Thomala Seva, Archana Seva and Ashtadala Pada Padmaradhana Sevas. Devotees may register for all 4 Sevas and all dates available in a month, or may selectively choose their preferred Sevas and dates based on their holidays and travel convenience. The choice is completely up to the devotee. However, selecting all dates and all Sevas increases the probability of being selected in at least one Seva on any given date, though the choice remains at the discretion of the devotee. Indian citizens must register using their Aadhaar card even if they hold a passport. NRIs can register using their Indian passport. NRIs are also required to present a valid visa copy without fail along with their Indian passport and darshan ticket at the time of reporting. Once all required details are filled and registration is submitted, no data can be modified. Therefore, it is important to ensure that all entered information is accurate before submitting the form. Devotees will be selected solely through the electronic lucky dip. The lucky dip will be conducted live on the 20th at 12 noon. One can log in using their mobile number to watch the lucky dip live. By 12:15 pm on the 20th, TTD will publish the complete list of selected devotees in PDF format on both the TTD app and TTD website. The list will include details such as the Seva name, date and names of the devotees selected for each Seva. Additionally, only the selected devotees will receive a message and email on their registered mobile number and email ID containing details of the selected Seva, date and a payment link for the Arjitha Seva. Payment must be made between 12 noon on the 20th and 12 noon on the 22nd. Failure to make the payment within this time frame will result in the forfeiture of the selection. No extensions will be provided under any circumstances. If a devotee is selected once through either online or offline electronic lucky dip, that devotee will not be allowed to register for either type of lucky dip for 180 days from the date of darshan. Whether or not the devotee attends the darshan, the 180-day period will still be counted. Once selected and payment is made, tickets for the lucky dip cannot be cancelled or rescheduled. The Suprabhatham Seva ticket is priced at Rs 120 per person, while the Archana and Thomala Sevas are priced at Rs 220 per person. The Ashtadala Pada Padmaradhana Seva ticket cost Rs 1250 per person. Suprabhatham Seva is available on all dates with a daily quota of 260 to 270 tickets. Thomala and Archana Sevas are available only on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays with a maximum daily quota of 10 tickets. Ashtadala Pada Padmaradhana Seva is available only on Tuesdays with a quota of 10 tickets per day. If selected for the Suprabhatham Seva, devotees can witness the priest singing Suprabhatham and waking up Lord Tirupati Balaji standing at the Bangaru Vakali, followed by a majestic close darshan of Tirupati Balaji from a distance of 10 feet from the Sanctum Sanctorum. Children below 12 years of age are permitted for Suprabhatham Seva without a ticket, but an Aadhaar card or school ID is mandatory for age verification. For other three Sevas, devotees will have a close and divine darshan of Lord Tirupati Balaji by sitting in one of the three rooms located near the sanctum for around 30 to 45 minutes. However, as per TTD rules, children below 12 years are not permitted for these three Sevas, and this rule is also printed on the darshan ticket. Some devotees have reported that children below 12 years were allowed upon request, but the final decision lies with the TTD officials in charge on that specific day. You are now watching the reporting location, reporting time, Seva time and the dress code to be followed for these lucky dip Sevas. Let us now proceed to understand how to register for the online electronic lucky dip. Open either the TTD mobile app or the TTD website. The registration process is identical on both the platforms. Enter your mobile number and OTP, then log in to the TTD mobile app or website. On the home page, click on the Pilgrim Services link and below that you will see the Sevas icon. Click on it, then select the Sevas e-dip icon. A virtual queue timer page will appear. Wait until the timer reaches 0. Once the timer completes, the Seva electronic dip process page will appear where the complete rules and regulation will be listed. Please read them carefully, then click the I have read and agreed to the instructions checkbox and click the continue button. Fill in all the general and pilgrim details carefully and patiently without making any mistakes. Then click the continue button. Details of all 4 Arjitha Sevas will be displayed. Read through them and click on the select Seva and date button. A calendar for the selected month will now appear, showing the number of quotas available for each Seva and the corresponding dates. Above the calendar, you will find the Select All Sevas and Dates option. Choose this if you wish to select all available Sevas and dates. Otherwise, select specific Sevas and dates as per your convenience as explained earlier in the video. After making your selections, click the OK button. You will now return to the Sevas page where you can see a green tick next to the Sevas you have selected. Click on the Continue to Review button. All the information you entered from the beginning will now be displayed. Review everything thoroughly, and if you wish to make any changes, click the Edit pencil icon at the top right of the page. Click the Confirm and Submit button. A pop-up box will display your registration number along with the confirmation message. Click the OK button and you will now see a countdown timer indicating the time left for the lucky draw. You will receive an email and a message on your registered number confirming your registration. You have now successfully registered for the online electronic lucky dip. And that's the complete guide to registering for the online electronic lucky dip for Srivari Arjitha Sevas. And we extend our best wishes for you to be selected by the divine grace of Lord Venkateswara. Don't forget to subscribe to Tirumala Tirupati Info by KHM channel and share this video with your friends, family, neighbors and colleagues. Thank you for watching and see you again in another informative video.